Faceless YouTube channels made entirely with AI are pulling in over 36 million views in just 90 days. You're going to learn exactly how to build one of these highly profitable videos from scratch, start to finish in less than 10 minutes. To do this, you only need 4 tools: Claude, Gemini, CapCut, and a specific set of prompts that I've mapped out for you. If you use standard AI prompts, you risk producing generic content that viewers have already seen. When your watch time drops because the script feels repetitive, YouTube usually stops recommending your video to new people. To get views and scale a channel, you have to bypass the broad outputs and engineer unique, high-attention content that rewards the audience for staying. Step 1 is niche quilting. You take a proven format from one topic, like fitness, and map it onto a new category, like longevity. Feed their link into an AI remixer to pull the structural skeleton of best-performing titles, applying that framework to your subject. Instead of getting a broad, ignorable title like How to Live Longer, you get a proven performer like 4 Boring Habits That Quietly Slow Aging Faster Than Any Supplement. With the title locked, we need actual information. Standard AI outputs are often too broad to keep a human's attention. Paste the lesser-known facts prompt and your title into Claude. This forces the AI to dig past common knowledge for obscure, deep-dive data. Supplying facts your audience hasn't heard 1,000 times before gives viewers a reason to stay. This creates the high-retention data that helps your video gain traction. Now we need to turn that research into a script. The first 15 seconds will dictate whether your video thrives or dies. Feed the specific facts Claude found directly into an AI scriptwriter built for YouTube pacing. Before you generate your text, make sure to turn on the toggles for viral hooks and open loops. These psychological frameworks deliberately structure your information so the viewer waits for the next payoff, which helps maintain watch time until the very end. By optimizing for retention, you provide the specific engagement signals, like high average view duration, that YouTube looks for when deciding which videos to recommend. Step 3 is generating the visuals. Structurally, these videos are essentially dynamic slideshows of AI-generated images. Paste your completed script into a bulk scene generator, select your visual style, and it instantly maps out hundreds of distinct scenes. Alternatively, ask an AI to write visual prompts, then feed them one by one into Gemini to manually create images. For the audio track, read the script yourself or use a realistic AI voice. Viewers will bounce if they hear a standard robotic narrator. Automating this asset generation removes a major manual hurdle, allowing you to move into the final assembly phase faster. Now, drag all of those generated images and your voice track into CapCut to sync them. But even with a perfectly edited video, if your packaging is weak, nobody will ever click. Use the provided thumbnail prompt from our document. It applies curiosity gaps and scarcity to generate short, punchy text designed to drive click-through rates. Then, find a thumbnail layout that is already performing well in your reference niche and adapt it to your new topic. A calculated thumbnail paired with a video built for watch time increases the probability that YouTube rewards your channel with more reach. That is the entire build process. Once you understand the underlying frameworks, a workflow that used to take days can be completed in minutes. And if you want to monetize before you're approved for the partner program, you can run your script through an AI product builder to instantly generate a PDF guide to sell in your description. After your video has been live for 48 hours, run your link through a performance analyzer. This will help you identify exactly where viewers are dropping off, so you can improve your next upload. Having the production system is only half the battle. You need to know where to deploy it. Click the video on screen right now to see the most profitable niches for this strategy.